but when the sombra is
I
like
slept this shit.
What?
like
Clip it! I slept this fucking shatter and it went off! Holy shit!
Alright, we got 6 ults. Easy clap. No, 5 ults.
Let's go, dude.
Oh my god. I want
Get fucked! I know you're watching! Fuck you! No, that's not it. Bash this, bash it.
I got hack. I can do it. Go bit my left.
On up here.
Oh yeah, I got you.
Oh my brick, oh my brick.
Nice.
I'm up for you.
Die, please. Oh my god.
Takes down both frontliners and Ruby also falls. It's looking like a full team wipe. Mesic is going to be the only player that could touch really at this time. He's the closest one there. Will charge on forward and he finds a pin on Rogue and immediately counters it with an Earth Shatter. He gets shielded. They're looking to clean this one up, and Mesic, he comes back clutch with a huge fire strike that takes down Fims and Progi. That sends the rest of Elotic running for the hills, and they're only left with 20 seconds.
If you are a Reinhardt player.
And then things sort of go like this. You know, the marketing boost at the beginning, because they announced that they're participating in it. Pog, chant pog, it goes up a little bit, it stagnates, then it goes down. Because they forget where it came from. The excitement, the involvement, the... You know, the whole concept of why it became a thing becomes lost. And that's what always fucking happens, dude. So no, I won't be part of Overwatch League anymore. Because I was part of this, and I got dropped right here. And I won't be part of this. And I won't be part of this. I won't be part of it. Sub. Thanks to the 5 Tiger. Apparently there's a small leak about heroes coming down BlizzCon. A tank, thank god. Hey, there's a leak? Okay, dude.
Look, big zombie.
Don't be actually mad at Dante, guys. I'm making things worse, you know, just so it fits our narrative. I'm trying to have a hateful narrative here, boys. Don't interrupt the hateful narrative. I'm having fun with it.
And a hack.
Some of it is true, most of it is true, some of it is a little exaggerated. Nice hack, buddy. Nice hack, buddy!
12-year-old British kid or something.
What? Stop fucking talking about Overwatch League. I'm not gonna play Widow in Overwatch League. You guys are fucking high. You guys are fucking high if you think I'll play fucking Widow in Overwatch League, dude.
Maybe goes. Another game.
I'm leaving.
Should I go without?
Yeah, sure.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
Can I stream it? Tells the chat to shut up. They're toxic.
you.
You ready?
Yeah, whenever, bro.
Evan?
Yeah, whenever.
Speed boost?
Let's go, club. There's 2 behind, 2 big.
That's how you deal with a bastion. That's how you deal with a fucking bastion if your team is brain there, dude.
Yumi. Please. Please, Yumi. Oh, thanks. Oh, I got you. No, I couldn't bother this time, sorry.
It's all good. Yes. Come. You're not gonna sneak on me, dude. Fucking god.
Simon 1, whoa, prime sub. The Soul Demon is 50 months, I think it's 3 Slayer. Actually been struggling with the difference about 6 years now. It's hard to even get out of bed sometimes, but now thankfully, I'm going to watch the stream of time I decided to kill myself. Well, that's kind of fucked up. You know what, dude? If you're gonna do that shit like that, dude, honestly, why don't you just fucking go ahead and seek professional help and help from others, such as friends and family. It says, go to contenders if you want to go to Overwatch League, and he says, contenders will be a huge financial step back for my successful streaming career. I have a wife, a home, bills to pay. I need to go back in time and join. But with all gladly prove myself in a tryout. The thing is, right now nobody's in tryouts. It's very hard to get tryouts, right? And he says, it's a step back for my successful streaming career. Yeah. Life is about trade-offs and sacrifices. Life is about taking some time off of something that you enjoy or whatever for something bigger, to reach bigger goals or whatever. Do you think people in contenders have a plan B? They don't even have a plan A, dude. They have nothing, and they're still dedicated their entire life to this contender shit. And this guy comes out of nowhere with financial stability, with a stream, with a big structure behind it, everything perfect, and he asks for, he's asking for a fucking shortcut. That's fucking insulting to everyone that's fucking grinding their fucking asses off. Nobody has a plan A, plan B. This guy has a plan A and a plan B, and he wants to go past them. That's fucked up, dude. That's so fucked. I don't want people to back up that.
Before I can shatter.
Oh my god, he clutched.
He's going off, he's popping off, he's popping off.
You guys showed it!
Let's go,
Dude,
I'm coming.
Can you guys get here?
Yeah, I'm here. They're idiots!
I'm here.
Huge!
Ready to go.
Go, dude.
They're one. Nice, good job. Finish dragging this guy. Go do it.
My ultimate is ready. Let's do this.
See through the dragons.
I wish I had old Sonic for this. Oh, get dumpster.
That is so sad, chat. Can we hit minorities on the streets? Wait, no. Don't do that. Challenge game, don't do that.
Can you shoot you from under the map?
Yeah.
She's just in our spawn right now, underneath the floor, right?
What the fuck?
You can't do anything about it.
Just run to the left side, guys.
It's actually a joke, this isn't competitive right now.
Anna, heal me, I'm dead. That's unlucky.
Are they gonna dive me?
We all needed to win the tournament of contenders so you make it into Overwatch League, right? We all needed it, all 6 of us, right? And that motherfucker, dude, the day, 2 days to the tournament, he said, guys, I'm taking a plane, boys. I'm like, no, you can't, we have a tournament. He says, I'm going to VidCon. I'm about to fuck some e-girls. And we flew to VidCon, and he played in some fucking rich boy's house in a dog shit desk. And while we're playing tournament, we could hear some motherfuckers smoking the weed in the back. Hey, yo, Dante, what you doing, man? Loud! And I'm like, dude, this is our careers in front of us. But he didn't give a fuck if we won or lost because he knew that he was getting the Watch League. But we need it. And then when we lost, he said, guys, that sucks. We lost, man. Fuck, man. We lost. And he signed the contract and boom, he was gone. And that was only us 5, all fucked up, no opportunities. Fuck you!
Nice shot.
Burgers spot. Burgers spot. Hey XQC, do you think Dafran is going to get the Atlanta tryout and join the
No, he won't. He will not get a tryout or picked up, and then neither of those things will happen.
Maybe I should drop Genji.
No mega ulcer. What he wrote on Twitter is the most disrespectful thing I've ever heard in my life.
We got 10. 7.
Kefri is so far gone that he's so out of touch that it is literally.
You should try a roguelike or randomized.
It is inconceivable that he would write that on Twitter. I'm sure good at a lot of things. I'm not sure good at pixels. I'll tell you that much. Got a pick here, boys. Yo, that's fucking huge.
right on the point right now. He's gonna come up and hit you.
I killed 2, I think I killed 3.
You got it. You think.
4.
Absolutely massive.
Do a crowd impression like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. Is that it? It was a natural crab? Yeah, that was a natural crab, dude.
Point. Somebody got a touch. Come on, keep going under you.
Go. Monkey one.
There's a brig on me in the back. Brig on me in the back.
There we go.
Nice, guys. Nice.
Give it.
See his brig? Brig behind Kerr.
Keep him break.
Brig's in.
Lucio point.
Lucio.
Oh,
We did it.
What is nano? Just be careful. 1 point.
What the fuck is that fucking movement, man? Are you serious? The fucking cooldown on that shit is actually a second. That is fucking ridiculous. Are you fucking serious? Oh my god.
My shield's down.
What? Tell me I missed that, chat.
Where's my coach? But Real Skeleton just keeps hitting nades. He keeps letting them to land and doesn't get taken out. Now it's just Jay Wolfner and an Anna on the other side. Are you kidding me? Radio Skeleton with the 4K. He's the. Excuse me.